10 most beautiful bays in the world. The Bay of Fundy in Canada is famous for its high tidal range, with a difference of up to 16 meters between high and low tide. One of the best places to witness this natural wonder is the Hopewell Rocks, where sandstone towers emerge from the water at low tide. Paradise Bay in Antarctica is a popular stop for cruise ships. Surrounded by glaciated mountains and ice cliffs, visitors can enjoy activities like cruising between icebergs and photographing penguin habitats. New Zealand's Bay of Islands is a picturesque area with 144 islands, secluded bays, and sandy beaches. It's a haven for marine life, including whales, dolphins, and marlins. Sailing yachts and sport fishermen often gather here. Located in Montenegro, the Bay of Kotor is often mistaken for a fjord, but is actually a submerged river canyon. Its idyllic shore is lined with beaches, tourist resorts, and picturesque towns like Risan, Perast, and Kotor. Thailand's Phang Nga Bay is known for its stunning limestone islands, caves, and grottos. The famous James Bond Island, featured in The Man with the Golden Gun, is a must-see. Exploring the bay by sea kayak is a popular way to experience its beauty. Victoria Harbour in Hong Kong offers breathtaking views of the city's skyscrapers and shoreline. It's one of the busiest harbors in the world, with ferries, junks, and speedboats darting across the water. Taking a trip on the Star Ferry is a great way to see the harbor. Port Jackson is the natural harbor of Sydney, Australia. With its numerous bays, coves, and beaches, it adds to the city's scenic beauty. The iconic Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge are located here. San Francisco Bay is a prominent feature of the Californian coast. The Bay Area, with its vibrant cities like San Francisco and San Jose, is home to millions of residents. The Bay is also known for landmarks like Alcatraz Island and the Golden Gate Bridge. Guanabara Bay in Brazil is surrounded by tropical forests, beaches, and the stunning Serra do Mar Mountains. It was discovered by Portuguese explorer Gaspar de Lemos and named Rio de Janeiro, which means January River in Portuguese. Halong Bay in Vietnam is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination. It boasts thousands of islands covered in lush vegetation, creating a breathtaking seascape of limestone pillars. Some islands have caves and floating fishing villages. These beautiful bays offer stunning landscapes, unique natural features, and opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Whether you're exploring the tides of the Bay of Fundy or cruising through the limestone islands of Ha Long Bay, these destinations are sure to leave you in awe.